Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got a box from Japan. This is an Umai crate. You can go over to japancrate.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider to get one with a discount. And yeah, let's crack it open and see what we got inside this month. Cool. Alright, so when you open one of these boxes, you'll be greeted by this pamphlet. This is, as you can see, the July 2021 Umai crate. And in this pamphlet, ladies and gentlemen, you will get information about everything that comes in the box. Now, if you don't know how to read the pictograms or the instructions that are in Japanese, and you lose this, you may be in trouble, so don't lose this pamphlet, okay? You also get a recipe card. And so now I'm gonna go over each and everything that's in this box and tell you a little something about it. All right, first off, we got one from Kenko Foods, the Shinsen Spicy Noodle. These are pretty good. I like the Kenko stuff, and it's a nice noodle. Generally, these are kind of like dry noodles. I'm pretty sure this one's dry, so yeah, this will be good. Oh, cool. Here's one from Itomen, and this is a seafood vegetable shio. Shio means salt, and shio ramen is really good, so it's not going to be spicy, it's not going to be heavy, it should be pretty tasty, and it's seafood flavor, so this is a good bet. Here's one from Daikoku. This is a cold tanuki soba. So this one will come with a little bit of tempura that goes with it, like tanuki udon. Generally, you cook it, you fill it up with boiling water, you drain it and rinse it with cold water, drain it again, put all the stuff in there, stir it up, and you're good to go. Summer months are really popular for cold noodles, so you might see another one next month as well. I believe this is another one from Kenko Foods. Umai Crate uses a lot of the Kenko varieties, and this one is a Sapporo sauce yakisoba. So this is basically going to be like the Worcestershire sauce flavored yakisoba you're used to. These are generally quite good. They've introduced this one many times in their boxes, so yeah, good one. Here's a Sugakiya Foods variety. This is, what do they call this? Small Tororo Kombu Udon. So if you like kombu, I don't know. These udon bowls, these little ones, not my favorite, but you might like it. Yeah. Here's another neat one from Itomen. This is their Shijimi Clam Ramen. It's pretty good. It's got a nice clam taste to it. I've had this years ago and definitely worth a shot. So here's one for kind of a do-it-yourself. This is what is this? Oh, this is Harasame glass noodle. And so what you would do is take this one and have it in this one, which is their bonus item for this month. Their miso soup with kujo leek and sake leek. So basically, you've got the glass noodle, you've got the soup, put it together, bada bing, bada boom. So it's kind of a neat little do-it-yourself thing. And to round everything out, we have Itsuke with their Mokosu Tonkatsu Wonder Soup Ramen. Mega spectacular. I freaking love this stuff. This is one of my favorite instant noodles on the market, coming from Japan. I haven't done a Japan list in a while because a lot of the times a great product will come out and it's gone within a month or two. This one I've seen for a while. I think it's sticking around, so if I do another Japan list anytime soon, this is going to be on it. Alright, so in this, the July 2021 Umai Crate, you get animal-free Mokosu Ramen, glass noodle, happy clam time, kombu udon, sauce yakisoba, seafood shio, cold tanuki soba, miso leek soup, spicy noodle, a recipe card, and your informational pamphlet. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, if you want to get one of these boxes, head on over to japancrate.com and use that coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles and this summer. So yeah, have a good one. Bye.